I'm just about to record for you a short summary of our beginner's solo Paso Doble practice routine number 1. Now this was originally taught way back on the 12th of October 2020. Now the time of recording this is April 22, and this year I promised to increase the number of videos to YouTube and into my website, and by doing that with a lot of the little solo practice routines, to stop people having to watch all of the full 1 hour classes and then fast forward and so on to the routine at the end of each class. So this was taught some time ago. I'm going from the notes I made from that class. Let's face the front and see how we get on. Paso Doble is that fantastic character, so you have to put your mind into that character. Now remember, it's just for beginners, so we're not being too fussy about technique. It was a lot of fun in the class. So I marched on the spot for the counts of 8. We can all manage that, a nice march. And then I said, imagine you're walking around the arena. Okay, you're going to be presenting yourself. There you are, you're in the ball ring, you're presenting yourself. We'll take 8 counts to do a little walk, okay? We did a little slow chassé to the side, slow and slow. And then I did a little slide and slide. We'll make those more dramatic in a minute. Do the same again, slow chassé, slide and slide. There's going to be a little drag there, okay? We're then going to do a little flamenco tap, or a little Spanish tap, as it's often called. Step behind, step in front. So it's step, tap, tap. Now I'm going to do that for a count of 4, and then I'm going to add rotational walk-ins. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to walk to the front for 3 steps and turn to face the back. 5, 6, 7, and then I'm going to tap on 8 on my left foot. Now I appreciate we're facing the back of the room now, but I'm going to repeat the same thing. Let's come a little bit further forwards. Step, tap, walk, walk, walk and tap. Now let me do that across the room so you can see it. Step, tap, walk, 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 tap. Step, tap, walk, 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 tap. Okay, so that was a little flamenco taps with a little bit of rotation there. Now, let's do these big crosses, okay? So we're going to step across and pause. Step across and pause. Step across and pause. Across and pause. There was a lot went on in this lesson, wasn't there? Okay. Now, the last little section, we're going to stamp on our right, slide left, cross over, unwind. Stamp left, slide right, cross over, unwind. Now some of you have done Paso Doble before and got a little bit further on in your understanding of Paso Doble. There's lots of arms, there's lots of shaping, there's lots of legs going up in the air and all sorts. Yes, we're not doing as much of that because this is a beginner's lesson, so just bear that in mind. Okay, let's take it from the very, very top. We marched. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chassé, chassé, slide and slide. Chassé, chassé, slide and slide. If you can get the arms in, then great. If not, don't worry. Flamenco taps. Down and up. Down and up. Walk, 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 tap. Down and up. Down and up. Walk, 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 tap. Big crosses. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Next one. Right foot stamp, left foot slide, cross, turn, stamp, slide, cross, turn. Big finish. Ooh, little victory stance. Okay guys, so that was a very short summary recap of our beginner's solo Paso Doble practice routine number 1, originally taught on the 12th of October 2020. Find that in my full video library. If you're not already there and you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, head over to the website, sign up for a free membership so you can see some of the free videos, and if you're in my video paid library and you're supporting me with a monthly subscription, you are absolutely wonderful, and thank you so much, because I really love making all these videos and also getting a little bit of money for them, pay some of the bills, keep the lights on. Thank you so much.